Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to start question 10 of this exercise 11C. Right, this is the last question which was left yesterday. So I'm going to discuss this question with you. In this question, this is a figure given to you. Right, in this figure they are saying that this complete height of this figure is 11 centimeter. Right, please sit properly in the class. This question is the last question which is very important. Okay, Arman Narwal, last warning. Take your seat properly. Okay, now see the figure properly, carefully. A hint is also provided to you in this question. Right? In this question, this AB is given 5 centimeter and they're saying that this shape is which shape? It is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. So this shape is known as what? A figure which is having 6 sides is known as hexagon. Very good. Very good, Shraddha, Love, Dora, Lakshita, Nikansh, Rakshit, Mishika. Absolutely correct. A shape which is having 6 sides is known as hexagon. So one more thing. If this is given 5 centimeter, it means all the sides are of 5 centimeter. Okay, that should be understood by you. Okay, if one side is 5, it means all the sides are 5 centimeter. Okay, suppose you are having pentagon. This is a pentagon. Okay, again pentagon is having same sides. Okay, so if one side is given, all sides will be same. Similarly in the hexagon, all sides are of 5 centimeter. Okay, the complete height is given 11 centimeter. Now you can see in the question, I'm telling you, see, this is in the question. They are saying that this complete figure, which is a regular hexagon, okay, if the shape is given, if they will mention regular hexagon, okay, regular hexagon means all sides will be same. All sides will be same. Okay, this shape which I have drawn, this is pentagon. Okay, this is complete regular hexagon. They are saying that all sides, each side which is of 5 centimeter and the complete height of this diagram is 11 centimeter. Now they have given you a complete hint. Right? Arab 8 Blossom, sit properly in the class. They are saying that x plus 5, you can see they have given this in the hint. X plus 5 plus x is equal to 11. Can you tell me how they have written this? X plus 5 plus x is equals to 11. Anyone can give an idea to me? How they have written this? Any idea? Harman 8 Florence, sit properly. No worries, okay, no worries, I'll tell you. See, they have taken that this complete height is 11. They have equated this height and this height. Right? They have equated this height and this height. Okay, this is 11. This is 11, which is equals to, they have supposed this as x and this as x. X plus x. Right? Please look here carefully. They have equated this complete height with this complete height. 11 is equal to x plus x and this is equals to this. Okay, this height is equal to this and this. Right? And all the sides, you know that all the sides are of 5. So this will be 5. This will be 5. So they have added all these 3. 1, 2 and 3. These 3 sides which is totally equal to this side. Got it? How they have written this? Now got it? Okay? So you have to write in this way. You have to equate this 11. I have written here 11. You have written in this way. Okay? X plus 5 plus x is equals to 11. Both are same. Both are same. Right? So they written in this way. X plus 5 plus x is equals to 11. Okay? This height and this height they have equated. They have equated these two heights because both are of similar length. Okay? Right? Now, with this formula, you will take out the value of x. Okay? How you will take out the value of x? Value of x will be equals to x plus 5 plus x, that is 2x plus 5 is is equals to 11. Okay, 2x is equals to 11 minus 5. 2x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 upon 2. That is equals to 3. X value has come. That is 3. Rakshit's fine. X value has come. That is 3. Okay. Now you have to consider this formula. This triangle. In triangle ABP. In triangle ABP, you have to applying Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. You have to apply Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. Right? This is 5. This is x. This you will take out. This you will take out. And what is this? This you will take out. Okay? I have written x here. This is complete h. Okay? This and this both are same. This and this both are same. Okay? In this triangle, this 5 is given. X value you have taken out. Now you can take out the value of AP. Will you take out? Will you take out the value of AP with this triangle? Right? I'm discussing this question very deeply. Please look here properly and listen all the steps one by one. In this triangle, AB is given. BP you have taken out. AP you will take out with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Right? Let me take out. Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. 5 square is equals to perpendicular is, that is 3 square. Okay, base is, this base you will take out. Base square, that is you will take out. Right? Okay? Now 5 square is 25 is equals to 3 square is 9 plus b square. B square will be here. Okay, this is equals to 25 minus 9. That is 16 is equals to b square. Now I am going to remove the square. It will become under root of 16 is equals to b. Root 16, the value of root 16 is what? The value of root 16 is the square of, very good Chaitanya, Budhyam, Rakshit, Dharya, very good, Avika, Manik, yes, Samir, no. Samir has taken out the square of 16. Samir, I am not asking square of 16. I am saying 16 is a square of which number? 16 is a square of which number? That is 4. Okay. So square root means 4. The meaning is different. Root 16 means this is square of which number? That is 4. If it is 16 square, then it will be 256. Okay. The meaning is different. Right? Okay, now look here properly. Look here properly. Now you have taken out base. You have taken out base, that is 4 centimeter. Now please tell me, in this complete hexagon, you can split this hexagon in how many shapes? Samir Lathar, 6th grade in the class. You can split this complete hexagon in how many parts? Rakshit, no. Avika, no. Ashima, no. Dharya, no. Kanwar, yes. Arav, yes. Rakshit, no. Ashima, no. Okay, let me tell you. In this complete hexagon, we can split in 2 parts. This is one trapezium. This is second trapezium. Yes or no? Yes or no? No, Nikansh. Okay, please look here carefully. Carefully. This will be your one trapezium, this side, and this is your second trapezium, this side. Is it correct or not? Is it clear, everyone? Right? So I'm going to split into 2 parts. One trapezium and this trapezium. Angel writes, okay, and both trapeziums are same. Why same? Because the sides are 5 centimeter. The sides are 5 centimeter. Okay, and we have taken out here. Please tell me, this complete is how much? This complete is how much? This is B1. This is B1. This is B2. Okay. Now please tell me, in this complete trapezium, let me unmute anyone, okay? Then I'll ask. Raise your hands quickly. Raise your hands. Yes, raise your hands. Quickly raise your hands. Yes. Arav. Just wait. Arav, please unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Arav, please tell me if I have to split this complete shape into two parts. Right? Into two parts. So in this trapezium, I want B1, B2 and height. What will be the B1?
But ma'am,
What is the B1? B1 is what? In this trapezium, B1 is what?
11.
B1 is 11, right? It is 11. It is 11. B2 is what? B2 is what? Arav, very, very easy. All the sides are of how much? You can see. You can see. This is a trapezium. This complete is 11. Okay. This is what? This is how much?
5 centimeters.
Very good. And what is the height of the trapezium? Height. This we have taken out. This height. These are the heights we have taken out.
Ma'am, 4.
4 centimeter. Very good. Very good. And can you tell me in this trapezium? Let me unmute other student. Please mute yourself, Arav. Let me mute other students. Yes, cover. Cover, please come on the mic quickly.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Cover, please tell me in this trapezium. Okay, now I'm talking about the next trapezium. Okay, on the right hand side. This is the shape of this trapezium.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell me what is B1 in this trapezium. B1 and B2.
Ma'am, B1 is 5.
Okay. And B2 is?
B2 is
B2 is?
ma'am,
B, B2 is?
4.
How B2 is 4? How B2 is 4? This is B1. This is B2. Okay.
4 plus 5 plus 4.
This is just now we have written here. Whatever the B1, B2 are there of this trapezium, same is there of this trapezium. Okay. But this is 5 and this is complete 11.
Ma'am, 11.
Now please tell me what is height. Height of this
Ma'am, the
trapezium.
height is 4.
4. So both the trapezium are having the same dimensions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Both the trapezium are having the same dimensions. So can I write? Just wait, let me write here. Area of figure ABCDEF. Area of figure ABCDEF. Right? Area of this figure. It is equals to this trapezium and this trapezium. Can I write here 2 multiplied by area of trapezium? Because both trapezium are same. Both trapezium are same. So can I write 2 multiplied by area of trapezium? Should I write here? Yes, everyone? Because why 2? Because both are absolutely same. Both are having same dimensions. So 2 multiplied by area of trapezium is 1 by 2 multiplied by B1 plus B2 multiplied by height. Okay, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Right? Now B1, B2 value is B1 is 5, B2 is 11, multiplied by height is 4. Okay? 11 plus 5 is 16 multiplied by 4. That is equals to 64 centimeter square, which is your answer. Any doubt is there? In this last question, any doubt is there? Okay? See, whatever the things I have written this side, this was given you in the hint. But I will not provide this hint in the paper. very clear on this point, right? First of all, you have to equate this complete height with this height. Okay, this complete height is 11. It is equals to x plus 5 plus x. These both are x and this 5. This is equals to this. That is 5. Okay, so from there you can take out. Chaitanya, just wait. Yeah, Chaitanya.
Morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning.
Ma'am, can we do by that method that area of the rectangle is plus area of triangle plus area of triangle?
How many triangles you will consider? Please tell me. Area of this triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, area for this area of triangle, what is the base? What is the base given to you?
Base will be 8 centimeter.
Base is 8. How you will take out 8? Chaitanya?
Ma'am, what? Ma'am, by Pythagoras theorem we have
Again you have, yes, again you have to follow this complete step. If you want to take this triangle plus this rectangle and this triangle, this is absolutely correct. You can consider 3 shapes, absolutely correct. But for this triangle, this is the base, this is the height. Height is not given, base is not given. You will take out the height that is x. You will take out this first of all, and then you will take out the height, this base. Again with this method. Okay, means these steps you have to follow. Okay, after that I have taken 2 trapezium. It is also very easy. If you will go with 3 shapes, 1 triangle, 1 rectangle, 1 triangle, your answer will be absolutely correct. Right? So the thing is that you can split the figure according to you, but that should be very right. That should be correct. Okay, if you are splitting in 4 parts or 3 parts or 2 parts, that should be correct. I'll not cross any of the method. Okay, but thing is that the method should be correct. You can go with 2 trapezium or 3 shapes. Right, Chaitanya?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please mute yourself. So students, up to here, x is equals to 3. You can take out the x. Now you have to apply Pythagoras theorem. Whatever the shapes you are going to split, in how many shapes you are going to split, you have to follow this method first of all. These steps you have to write. Okay, here I have split into 2 parts. You can split in whatever parts. That is up to you. Okay. Some students were saying to me, ma'am, 6 parts. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, then 1 more triangle, 1 more. My God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You will take out 1 by 1 area of all the 6 shapes. Then you will add. Answer will be right. But that will be time consuming. Right? Go with the easiest one. I don't think so this is difficult. If you are going with two trapezium, it is very easy. Okay? So up to here with the Pythagoras theorem is that should be very clear to you. That is hypotenuse is equals to perpendicular plus base. Sometimes students are doing mistake in this step. They doesn't know what is the hypotenuse. They doesn't know. They are taking this as hypotenuse, this as base. Okay, if this is a triangle or this is a triangle, hypotenuse is this. Okay, this complete straight line is your perpendicular and this is your base. Okay, right? This will be your hypotenuse, this will be your perpendicular and this is your base. Right? Triangle can be in any of the shape. Right, so take out the value of base here. Now base has taken out. Now you can go with the area of trapezium or in any of the shapes. Avika, just wait, let me read the query. Any doubt is there in this question, everyone? Yes, Avika, I have explained. Okay? Any doubt is there in this question? Okay, let me check whose videos are off. Again, I'm going to remove the students from the class. Right? Just now I've admitted 5 to 6 students. Anshumanit, Blossom, Divyansh. Last warning, quickly switch on the video, otherwise I'm going to remove. And I'll not admit you. Nimrat Lathar. Quickly. Okay. So I'm going to ask you one more thing. Yesterday we have discussed, I'm going to raise this question now. Just wait, who is asking? Yeah, Manushi. Okay, quickly Manushi. Now I'm going to ask you, yesterday I have given 9th question. We have discussed 9th question, all the parts in the class. Yes or no? Only one part I have given for the homework. I'm going to make a figure of that part and then I'll unmute any of the student. Okay? And I'll ask you, which was that part which I gave you for the homework? Quickly. Be attentively in the class. Third part. Yes, Shraddha, very good. 9th question, third part I gave for the homework. Okay. This is the figure of that part. Read out the figure. Those who have not solved, those have solved, very good. One question only I gave for the homework yesterday. Only one question. Okay. This is given 7 centimeter. This is given 19 centimeter. And this is given 4 centimeter. If this is 4, this means this will be also 4. Okay. If this is 7, it should be understood that this should be also 7. If this is 19, that should be understood. This is also 19. Okay, please try to complete the figure by on. Sometimes everything is not given to you. You have to see to it how you can split. Okay, it is regular octagon. If this is mentioned with any figure, regular octagon. Regular means if this is 7, this will be 7. Right? This will be 7. All will be 7. Okay. If this is 19, this will be also 19. If this height is 4, this will be 4. Regular means the opposite sides are already same. Right? Regular. Meaning of regular. Now I am going to write here naming. Naming you have to mention by on A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Right? Try to write the naming and the dimensions with different pen in the paper and in the notebook. Your presentation should be up to the mark. Area of octagon, or you can write here regular octagon. Regular octagon AB, CD, E, F, G, H. Okay. Please tell me, I can split this shape in how many parts? In how many parts I can split this shape? Aniket, sit properly in the class. Pratham, 8, awesome. I'm going to unmute you. And don't leave the class. Pratham, 8, awesome. Come on the mic, quickly. Pratham, 8, awesome. Quickly come on the mic. A message has gone to you. Those who are not giving response, I'm writing always after the class, those who have given the response in the class, those who have not given the response in the class. Right? It will affect you in your marks. I'm surely saying to you. I never said that whatever I'm asking you answer should be absolutely correct. You can give me wrong answer. Right? But please come on the mic. I want to check that how much it's understood by you. Let me call other student. Krishna. Come on the mic, Krishna. Krishna, unmute yourself quickly. Yes, Krishna. Check your connection always.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Krishna, please tell me, this is regular octagon, okay? I can split this shape in how many parts? How many parts?
3, ma'am.
3 parts. Very good. 3 parts. Can you tell me, what is the first shape? What will be the first shape?
Trapezium.
Trapezium. Which is? Give the name of that trapezium.
A, B, C, D.
Very good. One is this trapezium. Okay. This trapezium. Second is what? Second shape is what?
Square. Square.
Square. Square is having all sides equal. A square is there or rectangle is there?
Rectangle.
Rectangle is there. Okay? Rectangle. Tell me the naming of that rectangle. Name.
A, D, E, H.
Very good. ADEH. Now next is, third shape is
Trapezium.
trapezium. Give me the name of that trapezium.
H, E, F, G.
HEFG. Very good. Absolutely correct. Please mute yourself, Krishna. Very good. Now everyone, please tell me the answer quickly. Tell me the answer of this question. Everyone take out the answer of this question. I'm going to ask. Okay, take out the area of this trapezium, area of rectangle, area of this second trapezium. Quickly. And tell me the answer. Quickly, take out the answer. For this trapezium, see what will be B1, B2 and what will be the height. Take out the answer quickly. This was a yesterday homework. And it is very, very easy. I'm giving you a minute quickly. Take out. Yes, Lakshita, very good. Avika, right. Dharya, very good. Rakshit. Tell me the complete answer. Manushi, complete. Complete. It is not. It is wrong. Abudya, right. Complete. Manushi, complete. Chaitanya, your answer is correct. Very good. Yes. Rasham, very good. Cover? No. Only one silly mistake is there in your answer. See to it. Anshuman 8, Blossom, answer is wrong. Rakshit, wrong. Love Dora. Check your answer once again. One mistake is there in your answer. Avika, your answer is correct. I have told earlier. Love Dora, right. Very good. Love Dora, if you are taking out this area, that will come in square. Centimeter square, right? Manik, what is this? Yes, Abudya, right. Swayam, right. Whenever you are typing something, Manik, be careful. Cover, right. Why it didn't came on my cover? I'll not accept now your answer. Manik, tell me the complete answer. Yes. Rakshit, yes. Very good. Nikansh, yes. Other students, Aniket, Arush, why you are not solving the questions? Vikrant, Chima, who will give me the answer? Should I call your parents? They will solve the question. Other students are giving the answers to me. Immediately they are solving the questions. Some are just doing the time pass in the class. Kangana, where is the answer? Jaskar and Nate's Florence. Where is the answer? Who has solved the question? Yes, correct. Ashima, no, answer is wrong. The answer of this question is, first take out this trapezium. For this trapezium, B1 is what? B1 is 7 centimeter. B2 is what? B2 is 19 and height is 4. Okay, whatever the dimensions are there of this trapezium, same dimensions are there of this trapezium. Same dimensions. Okay, again here B1 is 7, B2 is 19 and H is 4. So you can write in this question also 2 times of area of trapezium. Okay, you can take out one by one, then you will add, it is also right, or you can write 2 times of area of trapezium plus, okay, plus area of rectangle. Rectangle is length into breadth. Length is what? Length is 19 and breadth is what? Breadth is 7. Okay, solve it and take out your answer. Answer will be 237 centimeter square. Most of you has given the correct answer. Very good. Okay, right? This is clear to everyone? Okay. B is 1. Where is B is 1? Just wait. Tushika, B1 is 7. Or Tushika, this is regular octagon. If this is 7, all sides will be 7. Tushika, like in the previous question, it was hexagon. Okay, one side was given, so other sides will be same. Other sides will be same. It's understood by everyone? This is 7, this is 7, this is 7, all will be 7. Okay, this length and this length is 19. Both are same. This height and this height will be same. Both are 4. Understood by everyone? Harshit, 8th blossom, it's understood? Yashika, 8th awesome, understood? Right. Now, I'm giving you one question to do right now. Quickly, open your practice notebook, quickly. I'm giving you a question and I'm going to unmute some students. Make the figure of this question, quickly. Okay, the figure is, you have to take out, question is, find the area of polygon A, B, C, D, E. Right? This is polygon. Okay. This is given 3 centimeter. This is given 5 centimeter. This is given 5 centimeter. Okay. This is given, these both are 8 centimeter. Both are 8 centimeter. Okay, and this is given 4 centimeter. Okay, please tell me the area A, B, C, D, E. Okay, of this shape. Quickly. A, B, C, D, E. This complete shape. Quickly. Time is about to over. Today, this chapter is absolutely complete now. Okay. So, quickly solve this question. Quickly. I'm going to unmute one student. I just want to ask, in how many parts we can split this shape? Anshika and Manshika. Quickly unmute yourself. Very good morning. Anshika and Manshika, please tell me, we can split this complete polygon in how many parts?
Ma'am, it can be in 2 parts, rectangle and triangle.
Very good. 2 parts. Okay. One is this rectangle and one is this triangle. Very good. Everyone quickly solve this question. Please mute yourself. Very good. Okay, and tell me the answer of this question. Area of this triangle. Take out the area of this triangle and area of this rectangle and add both the areas. Chaitanya, Dharya, very good. It's very, very easy. For the area of triangle, the area of triangle formula is half into base into height. Okay, and area of rectangle formula is length into breadth. Okay, now check it out. What is the base here? What is the height here in this triangle? Okay, quickly take out the answer. Manik, Rakshit, very good. Lakshita, very good. Shraddha, right. Mishika, right. Avika, your answer is wrong. Take out the answer again. Swayam, right. Anshuman, it. Blossom, right. Yes, Mishika, very good. We are left with last 2 minutes. Quickly solve this. I'm going to ask some students. Tanvi, give me the answer in the message quickly. Tanvi. Manushi, give me the answer in the message quickly. Dipti, it's awesome. Give me answer in message. And Halish, give me answer in the message quickly. Last 1 minute is left. Quickly tell me the answer. Today your chapter is complete. So kindly complete your fair notebooks. In this week till Saturday you have to submit your fair notebooks to me. Everyone. Jasmine, your answer is right. Avika, check it out once again. Anshika, no. Yashika, check it out once again. Halish, correct. Rasham, correct. Okay, quickly. Swayam will let you know. Okay? Rakshit, right. I've told earlier, it's right. Area of this triangle is half into base into height. Please tell me what is the area of triangle. Area of triangle, how much? Area of triangle has come how much? It has taken out. How much it is? Area of triangle, half into base into height. Half into base is 8, into height is 3. That is 12. Okay. Area of rectangle is how much? Okay. Area of rectangle is that you have taken out length into breadth, that is 4 into 8. Okay, that is 32. Okay, add both the areas, 12 plus 32, that is 44 centimeters square. Right? So this is the question, this is the extra question which I have given to you. Okay? Now in this way you have to see to it in how many shapes you can split the complete figure. Okay? In 2 parts, 3 parts, okay, whatever the parts are there. And then take out the area one by one, okay, and then add the area, you will get the complete area of that figure. Right? Bye bye and take care all of you.